Good afternoon, children. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So this is the first lecture on artificial intelligence. You know, artificial intelligence has become very, very viral, and it is being now used very frequently everywhere, on every field. This even today's newspaper talk of Dr. AI is ready for you. So he says India has a massive shortage of doctors, but AI will provide all the facility. So AI is also important for a doctor. AI is important for chat GPT. It goes to adult education, it goes to sex education, it goes to other education, it goes to IT education, it goes to production, all type of thing. And then all these things are important. So that's why there are lots of posts coming up on AI. Google is setting up a plant on Vishakhapatnam on AI, uh, so that you will see so many people will be required to fill that plant post also. So they are spending $5 billion on that. So that's the important thing is, so be ready for AI. Okay. So introduction to art. It was artificial intelligence is a capability of computational system to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence. Learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, decision making, all these are important for AI. AI systems perceive their environment and act to maximize the chances of achieving defined goals. AI research spans method for automatic reasoning, learning, vision, robotics, language understanding. आप लोग गूगल पर जाइए, you can say I want to see the performance of Sophia. You will see Sophia knows 30 languages and all these things, and she behaves just like a lady and answers all the questions, even the question, what is God, and all these things, questions are being answered by her. It's a wonderful type of thing. So that's where the things are becoming this. This ML, machine learning, versus deep learning. So deep learning is a smaller portion. It is subset of the total AI. Deep learning is part of this. Deep learning is part of the machine learning, and deep learning and machine learning are all part of artificial intelligence. So this is the Venn diagram which talk AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Deep learning has a neural network. Machine learning goes with the statistics and machine operating all these things. And artificial intelligence is everything: robotics, expert system, and everything there. So history and milestone. It was Dartmouth Conference was done by McCarthy in 1956. There were five scientists who were working together. So they wanted some money. So for money, they had to go to National Science Foundation in USA. So National Science Foundation wants the name of the project. So McCarthy gave the name as artificial intelligence. From that day, artificial intelligence became popular, and 60 to 70, there was Dendral for chemistry, Mycene for medical diagnosis. So these were the expert system which were developed. Mycene was so good that even the doctors learned new things because it had the uh, information on data or disease and the medical reports. So all these data was put in the advanced expert system. Some of the questions which were, because user is not a intelligent doctor, user is a simple person like you and me. So user asks some questions and answer is given which was not known to the doctor. So this was a new discovery over this. 1997, from you can take 56 to 1997, people were just talking as a research topic as AI, but not using as a production tool. In UK and Europe, Sir Lighthill was the chairman of a committee to decide about giving funds to the computer people for AI, but he said the computers are not good enough to work for the AI, so no fund need be given. But US still continued doing something. Japanese did very well, but they were not good in software. They were excellent in hardware. So they build up all the things, mechanical robots and all the things. But up to 1996, Gary Kasparov used to always win the computer on chess because they were chess playing, TikTok, language processing, and all these things. So, because I know even in 1990s, when you dictate to the computer, your accuracy was 10%. Today, your accuracy is almost 99%. So, in 1997, Gary Kasparov, who was the biggest chess master, he was defeated by IBM Deep Blue. That they made the AI very popular. So 2000, there was advances in robotic, first one automatic vehicles, Roomba, robot, vacuums, all these started. So automatic cars, now it's almost mundane to have the automatic cars and all these things. Because in the USA, you can have automatic car travel on a few kilometers on the side. Okay, so 2012 onward, breakthrough in deep learning, use of GPU to train neural network led to dramatic progress in images and speech processing. And 2019 onward, with the COVID, because after all, with the COVID, nobody could go to the patient, so the automatic AI tools with medicine used to go to the uh, patient, and patient used to pick their own medicines and they take it. So that was the type of thing which breakthrough take up. And today, India is playing a major role in AI. So is also France, and so is also Denmark. All these countries have joined. And about 6 months back, we had a big conference where Narendra Modi talked about, he inaugurated the conference and talked about a lot of artificial intelligence. Now everybody talks about artificial intelligence. Even a layman talks about artificial intelligence. So even they have started from 8th through 12th simple courses on AI and supercomputing. So that's the type of thing which has happened in the country. The, I have written to our Vice Chancellor in IGNOU that we should have for BCA also a program, AI and supercomputing, one paper is introducing AI, robotics, and supercomputing. And cloud computing is anyway there. So that type of thing is there. So let's hope this is done. So this is types of AI. There are generally three described: narrow AI, designed for specific tasks, for example, virtual assistant like Siri, all these things are there. Recommendation system, self driving cars, operators within predefined parameter. This is all the AI that exists today. General AI, hypothetical AI that can understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks like a human. It would possess common sense, reasoning, and adaptability. And super AI, hypothetical AI, for surpassing human intelligence in virtually every field, including scientific creativity, general wisdom, and social skill capable of self improvement. So, this is the AIN which is available today. This is what is hopefully there, and this is what is future. So, that's what is happening. And now AI is coming almost in the future stage of this. Key AI technique, machine learning. We talked in data processing, machine learning, that is, enable system to learn from data without explicit programming, making prediction or decision. So deep learning is subset of machine learning utilizing multi-layered neural network. हमारे पास every body, human body has a billion neuron. अगर आप एक जगह हर्ट होते हैं, फटाफट प्रोसेस में चला जाता है थ्रू न्यूरल नेटवर्क, so that you get the know where the heart is, where it has hurt and all that. नेचुरल लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसिंग, आजकल जब व्हेन G20 मीटिंग हमारी हुई थी, एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू गो आस्क एवरीथिंग इन whatever they are speaking, but natural language processing was helping our uh, stall person to understand what he or she is saying and then provide the facility and all that. Computer vision gives machine the ability to see, process, and interpret visual information from the world. So that's how automatic cars and processes are being done and all that. So this complete thing, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing and computer vision. So आप जो कह रहे हैं कि एयरपोर्ट पर भी आपको कोई लेके जाने की जरूरत नहीं, आपकी विजन पर ही, आपने अगर डिफरेंट आई बॉल्स लगाए हुए हैं, डिफरेंट हैंड में लगाए हुए हैं, you can simply be seen through the computer vision, and you can be taken that you are a actual passenger or a wrong passenger. So that can be done. Application of AI today, voice assistant, देखो Siri, Alexa, and there is speech recognition. So पहले तो हम PS यूज करते थे, अब Siri और Alexa और speech recognition को यूज करके सारा काम कर रहे हैं. Image recognition, face ID, objects detection and recommendation system, online retail, media and all that. Autonomous system, self-driving cars, drones. अब drones इतने पॉपुलर हो गए हैं, drones are being used for even for armed defense forces as well as offense forces, both defense and offense forces. Robotics are very popularly used now everywhere, and as I said, if you go to Google and ask for Sophia, you will see her doing 30 languages, and she wants to have provision to fly anywhere in the world. That's what she is saying. Data-driven decision making, medical diagnosis, financial trading, smart sensor, etc. So all these are important things. Application of AI. Or today, application of AI is so broad, as I saw in today's newspaper. So AI, वो हमारे डॉक्टर कम हैं, तो 10 साल में डॉक्टर पूरे होंगे, लेकिन AI will complete our doctors much earlier because they will be AI से क्वेश्चन पूछोगे. So for example, for when you ask question from chat GPT or equivalent other versions, you can get a lot of information. There is negative information also come, how you dress sari as well as how you undress sari, so that also is possible, how you dress a cloth and undress a cloth. So that means अगर वो नेगेटिव कहीं जल जाएगा तो दैट इज ए प्रॉब्लम. So in sex, it is a problem. In medicine, it is a problem. So supposing somebody is suffering from cold, तो उसमें कोल्ड में कह दिया मुझे कफ है, कफ के साथ मेरे पेट में दर्द हो रहा है, पता नहीं क्या कुछ बना देगा. So you have to be careful about it. You have to learn the good things of AI, but do not process bad thing of AI. That's the present state of AI, because AI is becoming too viral. So AI, lot of research is being done on AI, so that people should know what are the good things of AI or what are the bad things of AI. Benefits of AI: enhance efficiency, automation, and automatic repetitive uh, switch uh, workflow, and boost productivity across various this. आप कोई factory operation ले लो, तो कुछ भी ले लो, there are always benefits in the AI thing. Improved decision making. आप प्रोडक्शन कौन सी फैक्ट्री लगानी है, कैसे लगानी है, हाउ डू यू इंस्टॉल दी थिंग, ऑल दी थिंग्स आर देयर. एक कार, ऑटोमेटिक कार है, हाउ यू ड्राइव इट ऑन ए circular road, how you drive on a mountain road, how do you drive on a plain road, so on and so forth. So that innovation are there possible. Personalization, a tailor tailor expresses to individual user, from customized content recommendation to adapted learning platform. Innovative and discovery. So that means an AI accelerates scientific research, drug discovery, and the development of novel solution to complex global this. अभी इस साल नोबेल प्राइज मिला है क्वांटम टनलिंग पर. लास्ट ईयर एक नोबेल प्राइज फिजिक्स का मिला था जिसमें उन्होंने एआई को यूज करा था. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स विच आर हैपनिंग so fast, so that there are things which are growing in a wonderful manner. So AI is becoming very applicable, highly applicable, becoming too viral to be used in every field. Limitation and challenges of AI. That's important. We should know which are the limitations and what are the challenges. So, um, bias and ethics. AI can inherit biases from training data, leading to unfair decision and raising significant ethical concern. For example, as I said, people say if it knows how to dress a sari, it can also say how to undress a sari. So that's a negative point of this. If it knows how to drive a car, it also say how to hit a car. So that type of things are the bias and ethics. Lack of generalization. Current AI struggles with too common sense reasoning and adapting to situation outside the training data. अगर ट्रेनिंग डेटा जो है वो गलत हो जाए और गलत यूज किया जाए, इट विल गेट रॉन्ग आंसर्स. सो देयरफॉर द डेटा एक्यूरेसी, द importance of data accuracy and adequacy of the data sample is very, very important. Data dependency. AI system require massive amount of high quality data which can be costly and difficult to manage. देखिए वो मिसिंग डेटा, कोई इंचेस में ले रहा है ऑब्जर्वेशन, कोई मीटर में ऑब्जर्वेशन ले रहा है, कोई माइल्स में ऑब्जर्वेशन ले रहा है, कोई किलोमीटर में ले रहा है. सो ऑल दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. सो यू शुड, अमेरिका में माइल्स पर आवर पर कार चलती है जहाँ किलोमीटर पर आवर से चलती है, तो बड़ा डिफरेंस आ जाता है, 1.6 पॉइंट से डिफरेंट आ जाता है. ओके. एक्सप्लेनेबिलिटी. Many advanced AI models operate as black boxes, making their decision making process hard to understand. So कैसे कैसे वो डिसीजन करते हैं वो ब्लैक बॉक्स में आ जाते हैं. They are not clearly understood by everybody. So that's where the explainability is there. So that makes the thing a little more difficult for understanding. Future trends in AI. So explainable AI, the XAI, X stands for explainable AI. So focus on making AI decision transparent and understandable to human, crucial for trust and accountability in critical application. तो आप अगर अप्लाई कर रहे हो कहीं बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट जगह, डिफेंस में अप्लाई कर रहे हो, तो सारे के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. AI ethics and governance, developing framework, regulations, and ethical guidelines to ensure AI is developed and deployed responsibly, addressing bias, privacy, and fairness. So that's very important. Bringing AI process closer to the data. This is Edge AI, data source. For example, IoT, input, Internet of Things. IoT stands for Internet of Things, device sensors to enable faster insight, lower latency, and enhanced privacy. Then comes quantum AI. So quantum computer के साथ quantum is exploring the integration of quantum computing principles with AI, because future uh, supercomputings are the quantum computers. Quantum computers work on the electrons and electrons and protons and all that, so that it works on very, very small small मटेरियल। पहले तो ट्यूब से यूज होता था, फिर नेटवर्क आपने देखा है, पहले ट्यूब यूज होती थी, फिर ट्रांजिस्टर यूज होना शुरू हो गया, फिर इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किटरी, प्रोसेसर, थिन ब्लेड एंड ऑल दी थी। उन सब से अब जो है क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग पर रिसर्च हो रहा है, सो दैट अगर 128 के बी 128 MB का हमारे पास क्वांटम कंप्यूटर होगा, तो उससे सारी दुनिया का हम ले सकते हैं। So that's type of thing is very important. So quantum AI is very, very important. So I think in another 10 to 20 years, quantum AI is going to become very popular. So intelligent agent, this is a robo. An intelligent agent perceives an environment through sensors and acts upon it with the actuator. A national agent selects action to maximize its expected utility, goals, and preferences. Example, agent type refers agent rule based or model based, goal based, and utility based agent. These are the इंटेलिजेंट एजेंट जो है एआई में एजेंट यूज होते हैं. दीज आर द 4 टाइप ऑफ एजेंट: रूल बेस्ड, मॉडल बेस्ड, गोल बेस्ड एंड यूटिलिटी बेस्ड. तो रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट क्या होते हैं? सेलेक्ट एक्शन बेस्ड ऑन करंट परसेप्ट ओनली यूजिंग कंडीशन एक्शन रूल. मॉडल बेस्ड एजेंट होते हैं मेंटेन नॉर्मल स्टेट टू ट्रैक एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नॉट विजिबल इन करंट परसेप्ट. वर्क टुवर्ड्स स्पेसिफिक गोल्स considering future actions. Utility based होता है maximum expected happiness or utility function. So unit 1 cover हो गया है. तो any questions on unit 1? हम वो जो आपके नोट्स भी कराएंगे बाद में, लेकिन पहले हम ये यूनिट इससे जो हमने पीपीटी बनाया है उससे करा देते हैं. देन वील गो टू द यूनिट्स आल्सो योर बुकलेट. ओके, इज दैट ऑल राइट?
Okay, sir, no problem.
Problem solving using search. So the various search processes hai. Many AI problems are formulated as search in a state space. So depth first search, depth first search, and all these things. So this is define the state space, identify all possible configuration relevant to the problem, specify initial state, define the starting points for the search, define what constitutes a solution, use valid action to move between states until goal is reached. So there's a problem formulation. To solve a problem or search, define a state space, specify initial state, specify goal state, define operators. So that type of 8 puzzle solutions है, 8 लेके उसमें मूव करने का है. ये देखिए वो breadth first search, depth first search, iterative deciphering, and then greedy best first search, A star search, bi-direction search. These are the 6 different search processes. So that's what the criteria for choosing complete test. Will it find a solution, optimally best solution? Because it doesn't get the exact solution, it gets the most satisfying solution. AI में यही होता है. It doesn't get the exact solution. Search algorithm can be evaluated by expansion, memory, and how they scale with branching factors and depth. So this is uninformed blind search. This is informed heuristic search. This is greedy best search, A star search, bidirectional search, and the uninformed search is breadth first search, depth first search, and iterative deepening. ये क्यूब है, 8 पजल है, इसमें 8 पजल है, तो इसमें n chess queens. So none attack solved by backtracking search. This is 3 by 3 board state search, 9 factorial by 2 positive solved by systematic search. See, that's what is done. Game for 2-player game, for example, chess, tic-tac-toe, search is adversary because chess में भी search करना पड़ता है, उसमें भी मिनीमैक्स एल्गोरिथम अल्फा बीटा प्रूव नहीं करता है. रिकर्सिव choose move to maximize our minimum payoff and reduce the search tree by eliminating branches that cannot affect the final decision. Prune when a move is prune katna is worse than the previously examined move. Yield the same best move as Minimax but faster. This one faster than Minimax, but this is that. So search evaluation metrics, completeness, optimality, time complexity, space complexity. So in the completeness way, does the algorithm guarantee finding a solution if one exists? Does it guarantee the best, shortest, least cost solution? Number of nodes generated, often of the order of of the order of b raised to power d for branching factor b and solution depth d. Memory used, for example, breadth first search needs to store frontier nodes. These metrics guide choice. For example, breadth first search is optimal for equal step cost. Depth first search uses less memory but may not find short solution. So unit 3 हमने यूनिट 2 भी कर लिया. यूनिट 3 अनइन्फॉर्म्ड एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च. वो पहले भी हमने बताया था. अनइन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च. ये देखिए, अनइन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च, इन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च, ये ब्रेडथ फर्स्ट सर्च, डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च, आइटरेटिव दिस, एंड दिस वाज ग्रीडी बेस्ट फर्स्ट सर्च, एज स्टार सर्च एंड बाई डायरेक्टेड सर्च. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द discussed here on uninformed and informed search. So breadth first search is the uninformed search. Just a moment. Yes. Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Breadth first search. Okay. Systematic explore the state space level by level from the root. Property complete will find a solution if it exists, and optimal finds shortest path if it all action have equal cost. Complexity, time space of the order of b raised to power d, where d is the depth of the shallowest solution and can be large for big B and D. Requires storing all frontier nodes at each depth. So breadth first search में storage ज़्यादा लगता है. Depth first search में storage कम लगता है, but explores as deep as possible along a branch before backtracking. Property uses less memory of the order of b raised to power d, but not guaranteed to find the shortest path or even a solution. May go down infinite branches. Depth limited, bound search to a maximum depth to avoid infinite path. Iterative deepening, repeatedly run DFS with increasing depth limits until a solution is found. And all that. Iterative deepening पहले ही बता चुके हैं. Combined output, ये iterative deepening आ जाता है. Processes perform depth first search with limit O, then 1, then 2 until goal is found. Complete and optimal, like breadth first search, if step cost equal, memory B raised to power D, like DFS. Often used when depth of a solution is unknown. For example, 15 puzzle chess. Bidirectional search, ये दोनों तरफ से search होता है. Run 2 simultaneous searches, one forward from the start, one backward from the goal. एक backward से एक forward से करते हैं. Time is b raised to power d by 2, much less than b raised to power d for large d. Requires ability to generate predecessor. Its time taken is much less in bidirectional search because it does the two ways. Heuristic search, best first search, heuristic function h end, estimate cost from state n to nearest goal. The best first search, select next node based on heuristic search, greedy best first search, and A star uses Fn is equal to Gn into Hn, where Gn is a cost so far. So A star search is a heuristic search is admissible. Never overestimate true cost to goal. This is guaranteed to find an optimal path. And admissible heuristic stats like this true cost from n to goal for all n. Example 8 puzzle with Manhattan distance heuristic admissible. So Manhattan distances. So that type of thing is there. This is A star algorithm, which is there, maintains an open list made by Fn, Gn by Hn. So properties complete and optimal width, and preferences depends upon quality of H. Closer to truth, fewer nodes. Poor heuristic behaves like uninformed search. So that's the type of search which does here. So unit 4, predicate and propositional logic. अब जो इसमें एक एटॉमिक वैल्यू होती है, एटॉमिसिटी होती है, एक उच्च वैल्यू होती है. सो द प्रोस्पेक्टिव एटॉमिक स्टेटमेंट दैट आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. सो देयर आर स्टेटमेंट विच आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल लॉजिकल कनेक्शंस आर ऐड की ऐसे उल्टा वी डालते हैं, और का पॉजिटिव वी, नॉट के लिए ऐसे डालते हैं, और इम्प्लाइज के लिए सिंगल एरो डालते हैं, और दोनों तरफ एरो को बाई कंडीशनल डालते हैं. Built by combining proposition with corrective. Example, P and P implied Q implies Q, because P and P implies Q. जब P and P करके हो जाता है implies Q modus ponens से हो जाता है. Corrective semantic defined by truth table. P and Q true only if both P and Q are true. Suitable for simple knowledge representation. Facts and rules without internal structures. So that type of the ये सारी साइनिंग आप देख लीजिए. एंड और not implies and bidirectional. That's the type of thing. Proposition inference. जैसे truth table, evaluate compound statement for all truth assignment. Rules of inference, productive step to derive new truth. For example, modus ponens from P implies Q and P infer Q, more tolerant, etc. A formula is valid true under all assignment. It is satisfiable if true under at least one assignment. De Morgan law, distribution law, allow formula manipulation, for example, converting to normal formula. So these are the equivalents and all these things. So these are all given in the standard AI books. So you can just go through that. आपको गूगल से सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. First order logic in predicate calculus. So extension of proposition logic extends proposition logic by adding quantifiers and predicator. Predicate क्या होते हैं? Represent properties or relations. For example, human X likes John ice cream. So human X likes Johan ice cream. So this shows Johan likes ice cream, but he is a human. So quantifier universal, all X. This is V बीच में काटा हुआ है. All X. This is except existential X. Universal X. This is here exists only one X. All humans are moral is universal X, human X, mortal X. That shows all X human are there, so they are all mortal. Variable and domain quantifier range over a domain of discourse for all people, all numbers. So these are the type of thing. अगर ये एक्सेंशियल हो जाता है, ये केला हो जाता है, ये सारे यूनिवर्सल हो जाता है. Proposition logic and first order logic. So no internal structure is proposition, cannot express statement about all. Simple atomic statement, limited expressiveness, no variable or quantifier. But in first order logic में predicates with variable, universal and existential quantifier can express relationship. So foundation proposition logic can be seen as the zeroth order case, and first order logic builds up on allowing predicates and quantifiers. This is the additional thing for that. Eliminate implications. P implies Q is not P, not Q. Move inward. Standardize variable, rename variable to avoid conflict. Remove essential quantifier. Distribute or over and get conjunction of discipline. Resolution rules for P or A and not P or B infer A not B. So that's what is the final conclusion of this. P or A and not P or B infers A is A or not B. So that's the question comes for this. Because A and B are combined, why P and not P कट जाते हैं और A और B रह जाते हैं. So these are the 4 units which we wanted to do today. I'll now show you your booklet. This is the simple PPTs prepared so that you can have the first-hand view of the. I'll half the. Just hold on. I'll get the. Any question out of this?
Nothing, sir. It's okay.
बेटे ओ अब दूसरा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट का लगा दो. हैं? मैं क्या करूं? कट कर दूं? ओके ओके. एक्सेप्ट कर लूं? एक्सेप्ट. यस कर दिया. हाँ. अब ये कर दो. हाँ. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक. हो गया. शेयर हो गया. ओके. ओके. एक मिनट में यूनिट 1 पर जा रहा हूँ. ओके. हाँ. Oh, fine. Thank you. So this is your book, and it's a basic of artificial intelligence, brief history of artificial intelligence, component of intelligence, approaches to artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, application of artificial intelligence. जो हमने करा था वो यहीं है. So that you can see. This is introduction of this. AI is everywhere today, world, and people are gradually becoming accustomed to its presence and all that. Apple, Siri, Amazon Alexa, Microsoft Cortana, and Google's own Google Assistant it is possible that you are already familiar with technology involved in artificial intelligence. Are you? That the- these are the all the description written. So all these things are there. So strong understanding of basic concepts of mathematics, business algebra, calculus, probability and statistics, experience in programming using Python or Java, a good understanding of algorithm, reasonably good data analytics skill, fundamental knowledge in discrete mathematics, finally, internet internal will to learn. There should be will to learn. So these are the objective. Understanding the difference, human knowledge, what is AI, identify various applications, this and all that. So what we talked about AI, so these are the various definition of AI. According to Hugland in 1985, the exciting new effort to make computer think, machines with the mind in the full and literal sense. This is the definition by Hugland. And then according to Wellman, the automation of behavior that we connect with human thinking activities such as decision making, problem solving, and learning. That is in 78. The study of mental capability through the application of computer models, also known as the study of mental capability, that is uh, McDermott, 1985. According to Winston, the study of the calculation that makes it possible to perceive reason and all that. And that is Kurzweil. It says the art of building machines for that execute function that demand intellect when performed by people, the art of building machine that this, and according to Skaloff, a field studies, so सारी definition देख लीजिए, scientific लेगा. The according to the concept presented earlier, there are four distinct objectives that might be pursued in this: the creation of systems that think as the same way as people do, the creation of systems that are capable of logical thought. The creation of machine that can minimize human behavior, the creation of system that behaves like this. So ये हम मैं from year 2000 I have been teaching from the book which were published in 1993-94, that was Rich and Kevin. So उसको मैं definition लेता था, इसमें दिए नहीं है, but that's okay. That ultimately you will find the definition. In addition, we discovered through our conversation in the earlier section, the unit that artificial intelligence is the intelligence that is incorporated in the machine. In other words, AI is the ability of machine to display human-like capability such as reasoning, learning, planning, and creativity. We learn this information because AI is the ability of machine to this, etc. So these are the various definitions. Cover up hota hai everything all this. That is, what is artificial intelligence is computer vision, senses. There are human brain senses, uh, comprehend and act. The computer vision, audio processing, natural language processing, knowledge representation, machine learning, and expert system. So this is virtual agent, identify analytic, cognitive robotics, speech analysis, recommendations systems, and visualization. So these are the applications of artificial intelligence that are shown in Figure. Do not all require same kind of AI in general sense. One may say that AI can be categorized into the following levels. So these are the 6 level. ये हो गया, ये 6 level ये हो गया. Human, sense, comprehend and act is a or computer vision, audio processing, natural language processing, knowledge representation, machine learning and expert system. यहाँ पर virtual agents identify analytic, cognitive robotic, speech analytic, recommendation system, data visualization, so on so forth. ये देखो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट आ गया टाइप 1 टाइप 2, हमने बताया था 3 बनाए थे इन्होंने, इन्होंने भी, या नैरो एआई, जनरल एआई, दिस। तो इसमें टाइप 2 में आया था रिएक्टिव मशीन, लिमिटेड मेमोरी, थ्योरी ऑफ माइंड, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस। सो टाइप 1 में आ जाता है आर्टिफिशियल नैरो इंटेलिजेंट, आर्टिफिशियल दिस। तो नैरो इंटेलिजेंट में आ जाता है मशीन लर्निंग, specialize in one area and solves one. तो इन एजीआई, ये जो आर्टिफिशियल जनरल इंटेलिजेंस में आ जाता है मशीन इंटेलिजेंस एंड मशीन कॉन्शियसनेस, machine learning, machine intelligent, and machine consciousness. Machine learns from the human being, then machine uses intelligence to do it, and machine consciousness हो जाता है। जैसे आदमी का 1 2 दूनी 4 से 4 दूनी 8 भी बना सकता है। That is the consciousness which comes from. So the various category of artificial intelligence are discussed as follows. Artificial narrow intelligence, also called weak AI or narrow AI. Weak AI is term thinking that is simulated. तो सारा वो जो मैंने पीपीटी में बताया था, आर्टिफिशियल जनरल इंटेलिजेंट, दिस आर्टिफिशियल सुपर इंटेलिजेंट, वो सारा उसी में से बताया हुआ है। तो दैट्स द टाइप ऑफ थिंग। सो ब्रीफ हिस्ट्री में आ जाता है। Aristotle say made a logic system that was not formal. This is where the first formal system of deductive reasoning was this. At the start of 1713, Descartes said that animal bodies are just complex machines. Pascal made the first mechanical digital calculator in year 1642. In 1800, George Boole suggested Boolean algebra, laws of thought, and Charles Babbage and Ada Lice worked on programming and mechanical calculation, and Ada wrote that this machine, even a monkey, can make Mona Lisa. So that, because that's the type of thing which is used for artificial intelligence. Okay. In the late 19th century and early 20th century, mathematicians and philosophers like Gottlob Frege, Bertrand Russell, Alfred North Whitehead, and Kurt Gödel built on Boolean's first idea about logic to make mathematical representation of logic problem. तो बोलियन अलजबरा यूज़ किया गया उसमें। तो 1950 में ट्यूरिंग wrote a paper called Computing Machines and Intelligence. This article gave a good overall picture of AI. To learn more about Alan Turing, go to this website and all that. Turing paper talked about a lot of things which are very important and all that. So he even said that the machine could change its own instruction as so that the machine could learn from what they do. That is, जैसे इंसान अगर एक काम कर रहा होता है, वो उससे ठीक नहीं रिजल्ट होता तो दूसरा कर लेता है। तो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वाज सेइंग, मशीन कैन डू इट। अभी तक हुआ नहीं है, बट मशीन कैन डू टू कंप्लीट द जॉब. Snark has built Marvin Minsky and Dean in 1952. It was the first randomly wired neural network learning machine. Snark वालों ने करा था. Samuel made a number of programs to help people play checker between 1952 and 56. 56, Dartmouth was the site for well-known meeting. At the conference, the people who came up with the idea of AI met for the first time. AI, this meeting, the name artificial intelligence was chosen. Newell and Salmon book, The Logic Theorist, came out. Many people think it was the first show to use a television. In 1959, made a geometry engine and so on and so forth. So ये आप देख लीजिए. So 65 में एलन रजर्ड, in 1974 में माइसिन बना दिया. Showed how powerful माइसिन 1974 में जो एक्सपर्ट सिस्टम बनाया डॉक्टर्स के, डॉक्टर्स एंड कंप्यूटर साइंटिस्ट got together and for the knowledge Representation version 2 CIT Kharagpur plans were made. There were also some frames of Minsky had made. There are logic-based programming language like Prolog and Planner. In the 1980, Lisp machines was made and sold. In 1984, neural network were once again all the rage. In 1988, probabilistic and decision theorist method were used. Okay, these are the various covered up. So L1 and all these. In 1990, AI made a lot of progress, especially in machine learning. And 1997 was the year first official RoboCup soccer game. It was played on a tabletop with 40 teams of robo talking to each other. So as, as more and more people use the web crawler and other AI-based program and pull information from this. Deep Blue in 1997, Gary Kasparov, who was the world champion at that time, lost to the IBM Blue chess program. So in 2000, Nomad Robo goes to remote parts of Antarctica to look for meteoritic samples. Space probe that are made of robo can work on their own for learn this. Internet agent, all these you can read. So component of intelligence, they are learning, rote learning or memorizing, learning by instruction, learning by analogy, learning by induction, learning by deduction. तो एक तो जो हम बचपन में पहाड़ी यूज करते हैं 2 दूनी 4 3 4 9 और समथिंग लाइक दैट दिस इज रॉट लर्निंग एंड लर्निंग बाय इंस्ट्रक्शन तो कैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन होता है कि ये ऐसे ऐसे होता है ये ऐसे से ऐसे होता है दैट्स लर्निंग बाय इंस्ट्रक्शन लर्निंग बाय एनोलॉजी एक चीज ऐसे होती है एक पत्ता ऐसे बढ़ता है तो एक ट्री का ऐसे बढ़ता दूसरे ट्री का भी ऐसे बढ़ेगा सो दैट्स व्हाट वन सेज सो लर्निंग बाय इंडक्शन एंड लर्निंग बाय डिडक्शन इंड्यूस करने से और डिड्यूस करने से so rote learning is the simplest method of learning since all the least amount of this on a computer rote learning is relatively simple to implement learning by instruction the next method of learning is to be instructed because new knowledge must be contributed to existing knowledge base in order to be useful this type of learning necessitate greater inferences. So, when a teacher instructs a student, this is the type of learning that occurs. Learning by analogy, when you learn by analogy, you generate new ideas by connecting previously learned concepts. Textbook simply imply the method of instruction. For example, in the next, some problems are solved as example, and students are subsequently given problem that is comparable to this example. So this type of learning also occurs when someone who can drive a light car attempts to drive a heavy vehicle. So on and so forth. Learning by induction through induction is the most common method of learning method of learning that implies inductive reasoning, which is a style of reasoning that involves drawing a conclusion from a large number of good instances, etc. etc. And conduction, finally, we discuss uh, deductive learning, which is founded on deductive inference on non-deviable modes of thinking by irrefutable method of reasoning and solve it. That's what is done. So these are the various methods of learning, and it's very much used in. So supervised learning and unsupervised learning होता है and reinforcements reward for learning ये सारा अब मैं कटवा चुका हूँ ये आप देख लीजिए problem solving देख लीजिए you can read this and that's what straightway you can see. Now approaches to artificial intelligence तो Turing test हो गया cognitive modeling हो गया approach to law of thoughts rational thought take a book at how these approaches perform. Researchers have found through their study that human enter this and all that. और एलन ट्यूरिंग का एक्सपेरिमेंट तो ये होता है देखिए एक ये कंप्यूटर है बी इज another computer A is human being are we don't know who is who where is the human being, where is the computer. So from here, the questions are asked to both the people. So answers are given. सो आंसर से हमने डिडक्ट करना है कि कौन सा ह्यूमन बीइंग कौन सा कंप्यूटर है. इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट, दैट मीन्स the computer is as efficient as human being. That's what was the Turing test. So what the Turing test is, Alan Turing, who is the most well-known name among the pioneers to test on AI product to see if it was intelligent, Turing came up with the test, which is now known as the Turing test. So figure 2 this. For the purpose of this test, there are 3 rooms that will be used for the test. In one of the room, there is a computer system that is said to be smart. In each of the other rooms, there is one person sitting. One of the people who will call C is supposed to ask questions of the computer, and the other person who will be at B. Okay. So without knowing who each question is, and for end, of course, with the goal of figuring out who the computer is, on the other hand, the computer would reply in a way that would keep C from finding on who it is. So the only way for 3 of them to talk to each other is through computer terminal. This means the identity of the computer or person B can be only determined by how intelligent or not the response. So if she can't figure out who the computer is, and then the computer must be smart. More accurately, the computer is smart if if it can hide its identity from C. So note that for a computer to be considered smart, it should be smart enough not to answer too quickly, at the least not in less than a hundredth of a second, even if it can do something like find the sum of the two numbers for with more than 20 digits each and all that. So that type of thing is so thinking humanly is cognitive modeling approach to this, so that you can need thinking rationally, acting rationally, this and all that. So that finish comparison artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. ये देखिए, this is deep learning, this is machine learning, this is artificial intelligence. हमने आपको वो एक 3 डायमेंशन एक ट्राइंगल से बताया था. डीप लर्निंग ऊपर, मशीन लर्निंग ज़्यादा. तो डीप लर्निंग इज सबसेट ऑफ मशीन लर्निंग इज सबसेट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. दैट मीन्स डीप लर्निंग एंड मशीन लर्निंग आर सबसेट ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. So that's it. But deep learning, neural network, machine learning, neural network, computer vision, and machine learning आ जाता है ये. Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, semi-supervised learning. So that type of thing which makes it. So all these things you can read. These are the machine learning provides descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive and all that. एप्लीकेशन एरिया ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आपको एप्लीकेशन एरिया ये बताए हुए हैं. ट्रेनिंग, रिसर्च, एंड ऑफ लाइफ केयर, ट्रीटमेंट, decision making, diagnosis, early decision, keeping well. This is about AI and robotics. कि क्या है? So, training, research, end of life care, and treatment, decision making, diagnosis, early detection, keeping well. So this is the type of thing that potential user of AI in healthcare. So AI and robotic का use यही होता है, so that you are well, you are keeping your health well. That's the AI is used as a prescriptive to do what does. ये आगे आ जाता है. Vast form data stored, sensor monitor it, survey field make words, जीपीएस कंट्रोल्ड और ऑटोमेशन. आपको बताया था ना जीपीएस क्या दर्शन पिचले ने कैसे बनाया जीपीएस. enable decision this, and soil sensor, fleet of agromet and crowd this. So these are the AI for precision farming. ये फार्मिंग के लिए ये सारा अरेंजमेंट होता है. सारा इसमें एआई कैसे यूज होता है ये देखिए. इट्स वेरी क्लियरली एक्सप्लेन्ड दिस. इंटेलिजेंट एजेंट हमने करे हैं, तो ये देख लो। Peace, performance, environment, actuator, sensor. That is a peace. Maximize safety of passenger, maximum comfort of passenger and all that. Performance measure किसी भी गाड़ी के अंदर. So these are things which you can just go through model based. These are the things which you can, all the agents are there. Stimulus response agent, ये goal based agent, utility based agent, and goal based agent, फिर repeat करा हुआ, reflex agent, model based agents. So that's what agent मैंने पहले भी explain कर दिए थे. So that's the unit 1 is over. Yeah, problem solving using search. So हमने depth first search, breadth first search तो सारा करा है. So that you can see there. Graph, tree. A problem space is represented by a directed graph where nodes represent search state and paths represents the operation state. So A to B to D, C to B to D. So then you can go back and find where the search is there. Pele, you can go depth first search is just doing this. Whereas this is a graph A to B, A to C. Every one is connected to, for example, B is connected to A, to C as well as D. Similarly, D is connected to this. This is connected to B. No, it's not connected to A. A is connected. So this is okay. A tree is a graph in which any two vertices are connected by exactly one path. Yeah, this is a simple way, sequence of action to search space and all that. So 8 puzzles जो उसमें भी करा था, टाइल 8 है तो उसमें कैसे करना, बूम दी ब्लैंक एंड ऑल दैट. 8 पजल ये देखिए, जैसा सारा से ये बन जाता है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ये ऐसे चल के, ये ऐसे चल के होता है. तो problem solution, problem formulation. This is a simple place. Searching for solution. ये अगर एक 3 का जग है, एक 4 का जग है, तो 2 डालना है या 4 डालना है तो कैसे करना है. So that's the solution is problem statement. Given 2 jugs, 4 gallon and 3 gallon, both of which do not have measuring indication on them. The jug can be filled with water with the help of a pump that is available. The question is, how can you get exactly 2 gallon of water into 4 gallon jug? इस 4 गैलन वाले में 2 गैलन कैसे डालोगे? सो दैट्स व्हाट, क्योंकि उसमें मेजर नहीं है, ये सारा सॉल्यूशन है उसका. तो इसमें पहले इसमें 3 डालो, तो इसमें 3 डाल दो तो 1 रह जाएगा. तो देन यू इसमें डालो, इसको 2 और 1 रह जाएगा. तो देन यू डू दिस बैक. तो दो, so that's the reverse process. ये देखो, the state space to produce rule this, x is 0 1 2 3 4, y is equal 0 1 2 3. In order to pair this, that is 0 to 0, 2 to 3. Gold shade is 2 to n, where n is 0 1 2 3. So that's where ये सारा ऐसे करके ultimately pure some water out from 3 gallon jug, and then ultimately you get 2 gallons. That's a empty 3 gallon jug. You get pour water from 4 gallon to 3 gallon jug until it is full. तो 1 gallon रह जाएगा, तो then उसमें 1 gallon रह जाएगा. So then you remove full 4 gallon jug, pour all water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug, empty 3 gallon jug, pour water from 4 to 3 gallon jug. अब 4 में 1 gallon रह गया था, अब 1 gallon उसमें डाल दिया. empty 3 gallon jug, pour water from 4 to 3 gallon, fill 4 gallon jug, pour water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon jug. जब अब पहले 1 gallon डला था, अब उसमें 2 gallon डलेगा, तो जो 4 gallon वाले में सिर्फ 2 gallon रह जाएगा. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? पहले तो fill 4 gallon jug, प्योर प्योर नहीं चाहिए, pour all water from 4 gallon jug to 3 gallon. जब 3 gallon में पड़ेगा तो 1 gallon उसमें रह जाएगा. ठीक है, तो अब empty 3 gallon jug को गिरा दो. फिर pour water from 4 gallon to 3 gallon. अब 4 gallon में 1 gallon बचा था, वो 3 gallon में डाल दो, तो वो 1 gallon आ जाएगा. अब उसमें 4 gallon डालो, 4 gallon में से फिर 3 gallon में डालोगे, 2 gallon उसमें चला जाएगा, 2 gallon बच जाएगा. So that's why ultimately 2 gallon उसमें बच जाता है. So that is explained in this terminology. So that's how this is ultimately 220 हो जाता है. Okay, you understand that? Do you understand this problem? 4 gallon से 2 gallon में कैसे बनना है? Okay, पहले 4 gallon वाले समझ गए हो क्या एग्जाम कैसे करना है? पहले 4 gallon का जग भर लो, उसमें से 3 गैलन में डालो, तो 4 गैलन में 1 गैलन रह जाएगा और 3 गैलन में पूरा चला जाएगा. अब 3 गैलन वाले को गिरा दो, राइट. अब उसमें you pour all water from 4 gallon to 3 gallon, empty 3 gallon, pour water from 4 to 3 gallon. अब 4 में से 3 गैलन वाले में डाल दो, तो 3 गैलन में 1 रह जाएगा और 4 में 0 हो जाएगा. अब 4 गैलन वाले को भर लो, तो 4 गैलन रह जाएगा. अब 4 गैलन वाले से 3 गैलन वाले में डालोगे तो उसमें 2 गैलन डलेगा, उसमें भर जाएगा, तो बाकी 2 गैलन बच जाएगा 4 गैलन में. That's all the thing. Okay, you understood it? So formulation 8 puzzle problem, all these also very similar. So आप देख लीजिए इसको कैसे होता है. These are very interesting, very effective questions. So you should be able to understand. इसमें आते हैं, एग्जाम में भी आते हैं, but it's very interesting also. You should follow that, understand it, so that you are able to. So search, 2 agent search. So I win, you lose. So head and tail का जो कहानी है, वो that's explained here very well. min-max search strategy, minimax search strategy पढ़ लीजिए. ये सारा ट्री के अल्फा बीटा प्रूनिंग, ये सारा अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करा हुआ है. यू कैन गो थ्रू द बुक वेरी क्लियरली. और कल आप आगे का भी पढ़ के आइए, so that we can talk more clearly about this. जो कोई क्वेश्चन डाउट होगा तो उसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. अनइन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च एंड इन्फॉर्म्ड सर्च, वो भी मैंने बताया है आपको. depth first search, breadth first search, iterative search, and all these things, advantage and A star search, all these things we have talked about it. इसमें एक आ गया आइडिया स्टार, वो उसमें ए स्टार के साथ आ जाता है. So that's it. So this is the simple sequence of action. और ये सर्च आ गया, breadth first search, uniform cost search, depth first search, depth limited search, iterative deepening depth first search. This is rest first search and A first search. इसमें iterative search नहीं है. So that's type of thing. So you can read this all these things, and you will see it's what I explained in the first PPT. Same thing is there on this, so that you can inform search, uninformed search. ये सारा बेस बनाया हुआ है कैसे इससे ऐसे जाता है. डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च जैसे गोल नोड पर आ जाता है. These are the diagrams. You should be able to understand the diagram well. ये डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च है. iterative deepening depth first search, आइट्रेशन लेके चलता है. ये हो जाता है बाई डायरेक्शन सर्च. बाई डायरेक्शन सर्च इज द मोस्ट इकोनॉमिकल सर्च. इन्फॉर्म ह्यूरिस्टिक सर्च आ जाता है, वो भी आपने करा है. ये स्पेस ये सारे फार्मूलेशन दिया हुआ है, प्रोग्राम में दिए हुए हैं. ए स्टार एल्गोरिथम दिया हुआ है, दैट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. ये सॉफ्टवेयर दिया हुआ है. Recursive best first search. We have done all this in PPT. वो briefly explain करा था. So that's what this is. ये सारा summary भी आ गया, question answer. Further predicate and proposition logic भी आपको करा दिया है. उसमें first order logic and all these things. Atomicity, Earth revolves around the sun, and hour has 360 days. 2 is the only even prime number, and so on and so forth. USA lies on the continent of North America. 1 plus 2 is 4, it's wrong. 15 is a prime number, it's wrong. Moon rises in the morning and sets in the evening, wrong. Delhi is the capital of India, is correct, so on and so forth. What is your name? A plus B is 5, so then you can work out for B, and A and B are defined and all that. Syntax, proposition, logic, सारा ये कर दिया है. Logical architecture, इसको आप पढ़िए, then we can see if there is anything required, semantic and all that we need to discuss, we'll discuss it. Okay? Proposition rules, addition, subtraction, hypothetical absorption, ये सारे टेबल बनाना है. ट्रूथ टेबल, inference on predicate logic, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन है. premise and all that, propositions, resolution, causal form. All these are referred this that you can read it. You can. ये लेटेस्ट बुक तो ल्यू और महापात्रा की है 2017 की। बाकी पब्लिशर तो 16, 15, ये 21 की केनेथ की रोजन, दैट्स द लेटेस्ट बुक, टाटा मैकग्रेल। तो इसको आप पढ़िए जरा ध्यान से, then we can discuss if there is any question for discussion. Otherwise we'll go to the second lecture for this. पहले हम पीपीटी करेंगे, then we'll do the book. Okay, is that all right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any question or any other suggestion you have? No question, no suggestion.
Sir, any reference book which we ready for data science or
ये
for AI?
दोनों बुक जो है आपकी डेटा साइंस की और एआई की, आपको इग्नू की किताबें मिल जाएगी। और बाकी आपने ये देखा इग्नू 2021 की बुक है, वो देख लीजिए क्या है। मैंने देखी नहीं अभी तक वो, आई लुक एट इट। एंड 2017 की बुक जो महापात्रा की है और ल्यू की है, दैट इज ओके। And I have been teaching from Rich and Cable, that was 93, but उसके बाद तो बहुत बुक आ गई हैं। और बिग डेटा की तो किताबें अभी सब नई नई छपी हैं, तो लोगों ने बहुत बना दी है, हर किस्म की बुक बना दी है। बट व्हाट हैज बीन गिवन इन द book by IGNO, that's I think it is very simple. I don't know why this has been made so simple. I could have made little more uh, impressive so that more research could be oriented into it. But anyway, that's a good book. So for the beginners, it's a good book. Okay.
Sure, sir.